Welcome to Battle of the Best. The Best Foldable Wagon is probably one of the most versatile and convenient tools for parents looking to make outings with their little ones easier, whether it's a trip to the park, a day at the beach, or even just carrying groceries. This innovative wagon is designed to simplify your life by providing ample space for your children and all their essentials, while also being incredibly easy to maneuver and store when not in use. Get ready to discover how this foldable wagon can transform your family adventures and make every outing a breeze. Number 5. Max Sports Heavy Duty Folding Wagon. Introducing the Max Sports Heavy Duty Folding Wagon, your ultimate companion for outdoor adventures. It sets up in seconds with no assembly required, making it incredibly convenient. This wagon boasts a large interior capacity, perfect for all your gear. When not in use, it folds down to a mere 8 inches thick and comes with a handy carry case for easy storage and transport. Don't let heavy loads slow you down. Its robust steel frame supports up to 150 pounds, while the durable 600D fabric is built to last and easy to clean. It's also UV and mildew resistant. Designed for your convenience, it features an adjustable handle for effortless pulling and 2 mesh cup holders to keep your drink secure. Whether you're heading to a sporting event, a concert, or just need help around the house, this wagon makes transporting your items a breeze. It's ideal for all your hauling needs. What we like? This wagon boasts a generous capacity and folds incredibly thin for easy storage. If you need to haul a substantial amount of gear and have limited storage space, this is the perfect choice for you. It's ideal for tailgating, camping trips, or even just organizing your garage. What people say. This wagon is perfect for hauling all of my kids' toys to the park. It's easy to fold up and store when not in use. The wheels on this wagon are great. They roll smoothly over grass and pavement, making it easy to pull even when it's full. I love that this wagon is collapsible. It makes it so much easier to transport in my car. Number 4. Radio Flyer 3-in-1 Easy Fold Wagon. Discover endless possibilities with this versatile wagon. It easily transforms to fit 2 riders, convert into a comfortable bench, or serve as a spacious cargo hauler. Perfect for children aged 1.5 and up. It adapts to every adventure. Keep your little ones comfortable and protected from the sun with thick padded seats and a UV canopy. This wagon is designed for easy neighborhood strolls, fun park days, and relaxing beach trips. Enjoy a smooth journey on any terrain thanks to its EVA foam tires. The durable fabric wipes clean easily, ensuring it's always ready for the next adventure. It's safety tested for your peace of mind. Effortlessly folded flat with just one hand for convenient, compact storage. It also features a rear pouch and cup holders to keep your essentials within reach, and the handle stays upright when not in use. For over 100 years, we've inspired joyful play with our iconic products. As a certified B Corp, we are committed to creating lasting toys that spark imagination while caring for the future. What we like? This option offers incredible versatility with 3 different modes to suit your needs. If you're looking for a wagon that can adapt to various situations, from carrying 2 children to acting as a bench or simply hauling cargo, this is the one. It's perfect for families with young children who enjoy park outings or neighborhood strolls. What people say. The wagon folds up very nicely and fits anywhere. The roof pops off and folds up, stored in the side pocket of the wagon. The poles for the roof are built in and simply slide out when needed, which is really cool. No assembly or loose parts. It fits our 5-year-old and 2-year-old simultaneously with no issue, and plenty of room for other stuff if you're camping, shopping, visiting the beach, or just going for a walk. It was delivered an hour before we were leaving for our zoo day, and we had it built within 5 minutes and ready to go. It was easier to load up than our stroller and easier to unfold also. Number 3. Radio Flyer 3-in-1 Camo Folding Wagon. Discover the ultimate versatility with this wagon. It seamlessly transforms between hauling, 2-rider seating, and comfortable bench seating, adapting to all your needs. Navigate any terrain with confidence thanks to its rugged, flat-proof rubber tires. Enjoy a smooth and reliable ride, no matter the surface. Storage and portability are a breeze with its easy one-hand fold. Take it anywhere or store it conveniently when not in use. Designed with your children's safety in mind, it meets rigorous toy safety standards. Built-in seat belts provide extra security for your little ones. Carry up to 150 pounds of cargo or kids with ease. It also features a convenient rear storage pouch and 2 front cup holders for added convenience. What we like. With its rugged, flat-proof off-road tires, this wagon is built to handle any terrain. If you frequently venture onto uneven surfaces like grass, gravel, or dirt paths, this is the wagon for you. It's also great for families who want the flexibility of multiple seating and hauling options. What people say. It comes with a secure seatbelt that keeps him safely in place, giving me peace of mind during our outings. The space is amazing, my grandson can stretch out his legs comfortably, and there's still plenty of room left for packages and bags. The weight limit is 150 pounds, so you can easily fit 2 toddlers or a small adult in it if needed. Number 2. Originsure 48L Collapsible Wagon Cart. Experience incredible storage with a massive 10.36 cubic feet of space. When folded, it becomes incredibly compact, easily fitting in your car trunk or any corner of your room. Built with a robust all-metal frame, this cart boasts an impressive static load capacity of up to 560 pounds. Its durable, waterproof fabric ensures it can handle all your gear, no matter the load. Forget about complicated assembly. This cart comes ready to use right out of the box, complete with convenient accessories like a side pocket, cup holders, and a storage cover. Navigate any surface with ease thanks to its large, all-terrain wheels that offer smooth steering. The front wheels feature brakes for secure stopping and stability. Enjoy enhanced stability and control with its innovative steering mechanism. The adjustable handle can be customized to your preferred height for comfortable use. We stand by our product with a 12-month warranty and 24/7 online support. Your satisfaction is our priority, so you can purchase with confidence. What we like. This heavy-duty wagon can handle an impressive 560 pounds and features large all-terrain wheels for smooth navigation. If you need to transport extremely heavy loads, such as large amounts of groceries, gardening supplies, or equipment for events, this is your go-to. Its stable steering mechanism ensures control even when fully loaded. What people say. The heavy-duty frame and big all-terrain wheels make it easy to maneuver, even when loaded up. With a 560 pounds weight capacity, it easily handles groceries, camping gear, or all the extras that come with kids. It collapses almost as small as some of the lighter-duty wagons, which makes it a great fit when you already have so much to haul around. Despite being compact when folded, it feels sturdy and solid in use. Wheels are large and solid. Brakes too. They pull handle is solid W multiple positions to both pull and store. Extra side pouches work well and attach very easily. Number 1. Creative Outdoor Distributor Push-Pull Wagon. Introducing a wagon built tough for all your adventures. Its sturdy steel frame and durable fabric can support up to 150 pounds, making it perfect for hauling essentials. Keep your little ones protected from the elements with the removable canopy. It offers shade from the sun and protection from rain, ensuring a comfortable ride. Navigate any terrain with ease thanks to its innovative design. The front wheels swivel 360 degrees, allowing for smooth movement around obstacles on dirt, pavement, grass, or sand. When not in use, this wagon folds up compactly for easy storage. Simply tuck it away in your car trunk, closet, or garage until your next outing. From park trips and farmers markets to beach days and festivals, this wagon is designed to handle it all. It's the perfect companion for any family excursion. What we like. This wagon comes with a removable canopy for sun protection and features 360-degree swivel wheels for exceptional maneuverability. If you often find yourself navigating tight spaces or need to shield your passengers from the sun, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for trips to the park, farmers markets, or any outing where easy steering is a priority. What people say. Being able to push was such a great bonus, especially with hills. Our kids had plenty of room and our youngest took a nap in it. The basket on the back was great for sunscreen, snacks, jackets. You can push or pull. It has seat belts. It has a sun canopy. It has a zippered tailgate for longer items to lay flat. It folds up easy. It sets up easy. The canvas is heavy duty. It rolls easily. It holds 150 pounds. You can take this on a small medium-sized grocery shopping trip and fit your kid and groceries in the wagon. It goes really well on grass. It folds up and opens really easily. The storage box under the handle is super useful. I can fit both my 6-year-old and 1-year-old into it. It comes completely assembled in the box. Very sturdy and well made. Allows kids more freedom of movement than a stroller. So easy to change a diaper in. The cover for it will be used to keep the sun off of Joseph and to hold a sheet. Fold up and loading the wagon is very easy for me. I'm petite and I have no issues with folding, unfolding, loading, unloading. Maneuvering has been easy as well. Quality seems to be very nice. Tires have chrome-like wheels and are very shiny. A nice canvas carry bag will hold wet wipes, my cell phone, wallet etc. It's nice and roomy and I'm sure will hold a lot more stuff. It comes with seat belts, one at each end, to help keep the little ones from climbing falling out when your back is turned. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.